If you want to start using Tradingview, you should click on the link in the description to get $15 off. To add a VWAP indicator in Tradingview, click the indicators, then search for VWAP, select volume weighted average price. Once you click it, you will see it on the left side. Now click settings. You can customize the VWAP indicator to your preference. And that's it. That's how you add VWAP indicator in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.